Direct ETA, or Enforcer's Ticket Assistant, is a progressive web application designed to help utility members assess line markings in the field or the validity of a ticket. This goal is achieved by showing the users all the active DigAlert tickets within 1,000 feet of the user's current or chosen location. Before we jump in, ETA is only offered to valid utility members with Underground Service Alert and to those with a direct account. For more information on registering for Newtin ETA, check out our video by clicking the link shown at the top now. Okay, let's get started. Direct ETA works best for a mobile device, so on our phone, let's log into DigAlert Direct. Click Newtin ETA at the bottom. Next, ETA will ask for your location. Allow your browser to grant location access to ETA when the prompt appears. Once you do that, you should see a map with your current location in the center and maybe even map drawings. Underneath that is a table listing all the tickets within a 1,000-foot radius of your current or chosen location. Clicking on the row for a ticket will highlight its current map drawing and present the ticket details for your inspection. Feel empowered as the tools you need to enforce safe digging are now in the palm of your hand. For desktop users, you are not left behind when it comes to ETA. When you allow ETA access on your location, you too can see tickets within 1,000 feet of your current location. Bear in mind, location accuracy is based upon your internet connection. Should you want to look up active tickets in another location and you have an approximate or exact address, click Search Tickets at the top. Next, pick the county and place you want to search in, enter the address where you want to search for tickets, and then click Find Location. If the map shown for your location is correct, click View Tickets, and now you can get back to enforcing. A safe digger's job is never done. With ETA, your job just got a little easier. Now, go forth and ensure safe digging.